I was sent this product at no cost for the purpose of this review, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box and check it out. All right, so inside the box, you've got this really nice size monitor here for the reverse camera. You've got the camera that mounts in the back. You've got the cable that lets you run it from the back of your vehicle, or the front, wherever you're wanting to put this camera, all the way into the cab and connect it to the monitor. It's got two types of mounts. It's got a windshield type of suction cup mount, and it's got a dash or, maybe windshield, but it's got this sticky pad on it so that you can put it together. It's got two-sided tape basically, and you can stick it wherever you want. It's got the 12-volt plug where you can plug this into a 12-volt accessory port. It even has a remote. Comes with this extra nut here and the manual. Let's go ahead and get this thing installed so we can see how good it looks. I was able to run the wire for the camera all the way to the back, and it's more than enough to get all the way into my Semi, and it's going to do fine lengthwise and get through the firewall with no issue. So that is good to know. All right, so while I'm still waiting for my rear bumper, I got this rear camera just situated right here on the back where it's holding all of my wires for my bumper. But let's go inside and look at how great this thing looks. Man, look at how nice that view is. I can see everything behind me. This has got the grid lines on. Man, I can see awesome behind me. It's very clear. Let me show you the remote. So here's the remote, and it pretty much has everything you need to do with the camera. So let's go ahead and use it on the monitor. So here's the monitor. I'm going to turn it on with the remote. There it is. Yeah, this is a really nice, very large backup camera that's going to fit awesome inside of my farm truck. This truck has very little visibility, and this is going to give me an awesome view range behind it when I'm backing up. All right, well, I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. Y'all take care.